In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter to an image on Visme. Working with images in Visme can be a breeze, and adding a filter is one of those fun and easy steps you can take to elevate your visual projects. So let's dive right into how to do this. First, you'll want to start by selecting the image you wish to apply a filter to. Find it within your Visme project and click on it. This selection ensures that you're telling the Visme software, "Hey, this is the element I want to edit." Once you've selected your image, you should notice an editing menu that appears, typically on the left side of your screen. This menu is your gateway to a variety of image tools designed to enhance and customize your visuals. Next, you'll need to open the Image Edit panel. Look for an option that says Edit or possibly Edit Image, and click on it. Opening this panel brings up a suite of touch-up tools you can use to transform your image. Now here's where the real fun begins. You get to choose a filter. Within the image editor, you'll see there are over 20 built-in filters at your disposal. To explore these options, simply scroll through the available filters until you spot one that catches your eye. Once you find a filter that suits your needs, click on it to see how it transforms your image. This step is where you'll start to see the personality of your image come to life. After applying the filter, you may want to fine-tune it to better match your vision. Click on the Customize button to open up various settings, such as contrast, brightness, and more. By making these adjustments, you can tailor the impact of the filter to perfectly fit your project. Feel free to experiment until the image looks exactly the way you envision it. If at any point you decide that the filter isn't quite what you were hoping for, don't worry. You have the option to reset or remove the filter entirely by selecting No Filter. This will revert the image back to its original state, allowing you to either try a different filter or appreciate its natural look. While you're at it, consider exploring some of Visme's other optional touch-up tools. Whether it's the Erase and Replace feature, background removal, unblurring, or even upscaling, these tools provide additional ways to refine your image. Once you're satisfied with the way your image looks, you can either continue working on the rest of your project or go ahead and save or export your completed Visme design. And there you have it. Applying a filter to an image on Visme is simple and offers a great way to enhance your visual storytelling. Enjoy experimenting with these tools and happy designing.